Molweni Siphiwe igama ke from kwaSiphiwe Molefe Properties. Kudala ke sithetha nani, yabo loo nto. Kudala siniplaga, kudala sinibonisa izinto. Namhlanje sikwa 14, yabo loo nto. I've got a new baby just right behind me. Masijonge ke ne. Yabona into mandi ngayo, it's all fence all around it. It's well secured. Yabo. That's one of the advantages of owning le property. Yabo. Uba uphoswe yilena ke uzoba uzazi ufuna ntoni. Yabona ke apha ngaphandle yakwazi ukwenza into sabugadanyana yakho uba unqini, yebo loo nto. Just do smallanyana garden on the outside, yebo. Nansi gate yakho, imoto iyangena, pedestrian yakwazi ungena. But ke ngicela singena apha ngaphakathi sibone. Nasi space sakho. Yebo, this is your front of the house. Nasi space sakho, but besitshilo almost by it is wall fence all around it, yebo. So both the front and the back sikhulu kakhulu space sakho, yebo loo nto. So uyakwazi ke ngoku ungena ngapha ungene nasebhek, yabo loo nto. So asikene ebhek nalo ujonga lwakho all around it. Okay, I think ungamanje kwelacala babonise nje house big it is. Yakwazi ukuboneka impahla yakho kwecala, yabo loo nto. Nazi aluminium windows zakho. But ke ndifuna most importantly ndifuna sibone kitchen man, yebo. Bantu abangomama, abantu abathanda ukupheka, ochef njalo njalo. Nali kitchen. Masikene ngicela ubabonise nje apha ekitchen. Yeah. So akho sidingo soba nokutshintsha ikitchen lakho le ready, yonke into yakho ready. So that's the beauty of owning land property. Yebo lo. So if unomdla, okay. Size ngapha ke ngoku. Igumbi labantwana, kunabantwana unabo. Sixolele ke nkulu. Okay. Singeza ke ngapha ku main bedroom. Your built-ins. As soon as I'm popping one say your buildings, then you can go back. This is the main bedroom. Yeah, so even the ceiling your corner, your roof, your kitchen, it's on top. Yeah, it's on top. So you just moved in, get up. It's tiled. It's unlike this in or born around. Yeah, so yes, you some time cool. So we've got another surprise for you. How we get this one? Nancy bathroom yako. So then thinking, I know another lapa go from glad. Just to relax in there. So it's either a bath, shower, you get your bath up. Nancy and Nancy in club is under Zako, top cruise relief. So that is our. Then this is your main bedroom yako. So siyacela ke abantu baseMtanzania, siyacela abantu base-East London, wherever you are, nomdla use-Cape Town, use-Joburg, wherever you are, we are able to help you. Ungaphoswa. That's why I make well kitchen. I really love the kitchen. So please, nomdla, you wanna come for viewing, you wanna buy, you wanna make an offer, do not hesitate. Go phone 043 721 0351. Alternatively, phone emergency line 073 27 12 589. Ikamba ke Siphiwe. Siyacela ke do follow us on all our social media platforms. Sikona TikTok, Instagram, Sikona Facebook, Sikona YouTube, Sikona. Do follow us, share, like and comment. Siyabulela kakhulu ke. Ngiyacela unyaka uyaphela. Ngithela ke nawe kudala uthandabuza ukuthi uzothenga abanye beniyoyika, come. Let us assist you. We will advise you. We will assist you all the way. So that now come here and unento nayo yabona. Ithi iBhayibheli, do not undermine the day of small beginning. Nokuthenge nje into qala with something that you can afford. Masithenge indlu. It's the best investment. You will never go wrong xa uthenga indlu. Trust me. Thixo asikelele. Goodbye.